Do you want to know what most everyone wants when buying a house? They want a single-story home. This house is single-story and it has a quarter lot, and it is just amazing. It is going to fly off the shelf. So come on in and take a look. There's too many things to talk about to actually tell you about them. I just want to show you. Come on in.
Mashore Homes by Krista. Thanks so much for watching. It's a crazy selling market, so buyers, be aggressive. Come see it quickly. Houses are going so fast. And again, everyone knows somebody who's thinking of buying, so forward this video and make it a great home selling and buying day. And thanks again for watching. Krista Mashore, Homes by Krista.